15581 West 93rd Place, doing a sewer scope after they repaired the line where the low section was under the sidewalk. It looks like we're 100 foot to the city sewer. There's our tap connection into the main. We have the bathroom sink running. That's the water that we see running. And initially scoping this thing, as I was going in, there still is a couple of low sections in the line, and they had quite a bit of debris and toilet paper in them. You can see here's one here, and this is the one at 71 foot, and I did locate this in the street on our first visit out. I do have my 2-inch skid on the end of my camera, so my camera is sitting in the middle right at 2 inches. See, we start to get into a little bit of water here. 53 foot. And again, there was some debris throughout here. And standing water before we ran water. About 1.5 inches of water there. See how the soap suds get up there because they hit that low section. See there, starts right at about 43 foot. Goes to about 55. It's not that bad of a low section. But it is holding debris. Again, there was quite a bit of debris in here with our initial scope going in here. I pushed it out with the scope. You may have to go further on with the repair to be able to achieve proper slope in that line. It is better, but not as it should be.